Wasn't supposed to be, but we've had to change the plan. I'm not pricing today, so first job's put a load of kit up, and we're going to try and get a lift at the bottom of the cupola. Once we've done that, we'll run some tubes up the roof each side, like a little saddle over the roof, drop some legs on each corner, then we can run the full ring around. Here we are, we've just put them toppers in. We're going to throw it onto the bottom of the lead there. Drop our legs in, roughly 2 boards off, so they can pull them out if they have to. We're going to put some legs on the edge of that wall, throw in both sides, and then get our legs in for our measurements we need, and then we'll go up round the cupola. Right, so we've run the 210s up the roof. We've got a bit of summit in here and got some legs on this wall. I'm going to get the saddle tubes in the back down there. Same here, and then I can run my punching tube across here so I can get my legs in the right spot, and then we'll have a look what we're doing on the other side. So that's what I got. Tubes coming up, tubes coming down, saddle tube in the middle. Now we can get our bottom ledger in and then drop all our legs into soup. So we'll go and get all them in. So there we are, we've got all our braces in for the inside, we've got that tube in there, and we've got all our legs ready to go up. So next we're going to get all this boarded, probably from them inside legs to here, and then we can run all our ledges through ready, get our puncheons in, and we can go over the other side then and get everything lined up. Got that other side as far as we can, so I'm going to come over here now, run my tube in again, right measurement off the wall, legs on the edge of this. We've gone through that area and opened that stone line. We should, so we'll have 3 legs here, 3 legs there on another tube, leg there and leg there. Hopefully that'll support all that. We can get that lift all the way around then, and then another lift at the top of the very top of the cupola statue thing. So pull a load of kit up for this, and then we'll throw the back of this in. Ran all that lift in there, and got the tube in the bottom. We got this side in, so we're just going to run the box round here, get our leg in there, which will be 16s. Then we can get all this boarded. Don't know what we're going to do around all this yet. I haven't thought about it. So yeah, we'll chuck this lift round and see how we go. Look at this, proper labourer. If we can get him on. You're going to have them off him, I think, Jeff. I'm stuck off here. Juice boy. How many's that? 8? What a unit. What a unit, Jeff. Right, so we've run all the lift round. We've run some stuff through the middle. We might put a couple of legs in there if it's bouncy, but we'll see. We've made it so we can run 5-foot boards in here, either side. Short step lapped over the middle each side. And then hopefully around the top. I don't know what we're doing up there yet. So that's as far as we're going to get today. We've run out of kit. So all that's left to do literally is a ring around here, handrails, netting rails, and then they can get this out. I think they're going to get a crane. So we got most of the kit up for that lift. We just run out of some of the stuff. So we're going to run out of brick guards. There we go. Literally, trannies in that, trannies in that. Short boards and bits like this. And then a few short boards there. Finished. There she is from here. We've obviously got a finished brick garden and stuff. But yeah, they've got a full ring around there, the cupola. And then we're going to put another lift. They can get to that bit of decorative bit at the top. And then just literally netting. Probably one more full day here on, what day are we on now? Thursday probably. And we'll get it all wrapped up. So yeah, it's been a bit of a different one, but it's pretty much done. There it is from the floor. Last lift, netting rails and stuff, netting on it, netting all on the front, and then we're complete. And then I think we've got to come back and take that off so as they can complete more works on the roof and stuff. So that's it. So yeah, we've literally just got handrails, netting rail, netting around the top and around the bottom and around this little lift. And then that's complete, just net the bottom. Another day done.